guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you have been thinking of a cruise or you're planning a cruise and you're just wondering what do I need to wear and how can I pack very lightly without overpacking, then I have the video for you. So today I am sharing a Grace Karin try-on haul with you, showcasing some of the cover-ups that you could take with you and some pants that could be very versatile to either use as a cover-up or for some daytime activities. And then you can also dress those up for nighttime as well. And then I have some dresses that I think will be really good for the dining rooms, and then one dress that is not very formal, but it's good for that dress up if you want to kind of date. But I do want to thank Grace Karin for sending me these items to review for you guys. So let's get started on this cruise wear edition. So most of your cruises, you're going to be out on the pool deck and you're going to want some kind of cover up for when you're going from there to maybe the bar and grill that has the burgers that's right around the pool deck. Or if you want to go into the buffet, you are going to need some kind of cover up, and then this will work as a cover up, but it could also work as a little cardigan over some kind of tank. So this is the first thing I want to share with you. And this is also great when you're going out on your beach days, on any of your excursions, and you want that cover up to just, wear off the cruise ship and then back on. This is great for that. So this is a little bit of a longer style. It's got some slits on the side. It's got all of that open stitch detail, diamond sleeve. I picked this up in a medium, which is pretty true to size. I'm showing it to you over a swimsuit because I think this is a great cover up. But the way that you can pack minimally is you can use this as a cover up, but then you could also pair this with some kind of tank like I'm showing to you now. I have this with just a white ribbed tank for more of a layered look. And then I have paired it with a great pair of linen blend pants that I'm going to share with you in just a moment. But I first wanted to talk about this. Could be either a swimsuit cover up or it could be a cardigan as well to use as a layering piece to kind of just elevate any kind of look from day to night if you wanted to do that. This I picked up in a blue color, but everything that I'm sharing with you today comes in a variety of different colors. So if you don't like the particular color that I am sharing with you, you can click on the link that'll be in the description box and you can see all the different colors that they do have. So everything that I'm sharing with you today will be linked in the description box. So you can check out all the other different color variations that they have in each style, but also Grace Karin graciously gives me promo codes and coupon codes and discounts for you guys. So when you click on that link, it will give you the discount, plus it'll also give you a promo code that you can use to put in at checkout as well. So make sure to click on those links to check that out. So these are the linen blend pants that I shared with you in the look with the cover up, because I think that just putting that on and just using a casual ribbed tank is so good to pair with this for a real casual look. So you could wear this out on your short excursions. And it does have that linen blend, so it makes it really nice. Or this is something that you could pair with a dressier top and wear it to dinner at night. And these have nice wide legs, a great linen blend fabric, and they come in a variety of different colors. You've got your front pockets, you have these back faux pockets, so it does look trouser style. You also have a elastic in the back, but then you also have belt loops if you want to dress it up a little bit more and put some kind of nice belt in there, and it is a zip and button closure. Now I did pick these up in a medium, so they do run pretty true to size. And then I wanted to share a different cover up with you guys. So this doesn't have as much open stitch detail and you don't have the slits on the side. This is a little bit shorter than the other, but still that diamond style shoulder and just really nice to wear over your swimsuits. Again, I picked this one up in a medium, true to size, but then this could also be paired with a ribbed tank. So you could just bring a white or a black, just a neutral color tank, and then you could throw these cardigans and swimsuit covers up over top of it to make a really cute look. So I'm showing this to you with a swimsuit so you can see what it looks like as a cover up, but I also have it paired with a ribbed tank, the same ribbed tank you saw with the blue swimsuit cover up, and this cute pair of pants that I think is so fun for any kind of cruise. So these pants are so cute and fun for any kind of cruise, resort wear, beach wear, anything like that. It does have this bow that you tie in the front. It's elastic all the way around, so it's a nice comfortable waistband. You do have pockets. There's no pockets in the back. Even though these are lighter in this white color, I did not see that they were see-through, and I really think this is a fun pattern, but of course there's other patterns. It has this really nice wider style leg, and the bottom seems to be just a little bit wider. It has a seam right here, kind of gives it that little kick flare look, and I think these are so cute. So you could use this as a bottom to a swimsuit. So you could put this on with that black cardigan and wear it over a swimsuit. Wear it into the buffet so you're not wearing your swimsuit to eat. Or you could wear a really cute, fun, dressier top and wear this to dinner at night as well for a fun little look. You could take this out on your short excursions. I did pick these up in a medium. They do run pretty true to size. Then let's talk about dresses. I love to wear dresses either during the day or at night for the dining room. I usually like to dress up in the dining room. And I'm not saying really dress up. I just love to wear a dress. And I like something that is going to be really nice and flowy and comfortable. So I always like to take some kind of maxi dress. And this is a really nice one because I love the vibrant colors. I feel like this is so perfect for the Bahamas, the Caribbean, Mexico, things like that. It's bright, it's fun. This is really pretty, but there's other patterns that are not so bright if you don't like that. It does have an adjustment in the back where you can adjust these straps. Now, I am wearing this with just the pasties. I don't have a bra with any of these dresses that I'm sharing with you except for the very last one. So that's just something to keep in mind. You don't have to wear a bra with this. You can just put some kind of pasties, but you will be able to see through this if you don't wear anything. You can wear a strapless if you want to do that as well. This has smocking at the waistband, so it's going to be really nice and stretchy, and you do have your pockets. It's really nice and flowy, and it has the little tier detail, but it's a really nice maxi. So this I picked up in a medium, does run true to size. Beautiful colors that this comes in, but I think it's a really great lightweight, flowy dress that is perfect because it has this smocking. Because when you're talking about toward the end of the cruise, you may have gained a little bit of weight because of all the food that you are eating on the cruise. So this is good because it's got that smocking, so it's going to expand if you expand as well. So really great little dress for dinner at night. So I have a couple more dresses that are similar. They're maxi style and they're just really nice and flowy and cute. This, I could not resist this color combo. I loved this blue and pink color combo. I thought it was so cute. And then you can see right here that it has this little lace detail that gives it a little bit of extra to it as well. You've got that same kind of adjustment that you can do on the straps, and then you've got the smocking that's in the back that's going to adjust for smaller chests or larger chests. And it does have pockets as well. It's that nice maxi length. I think these are just perfect to wear to cruises because they're just good to put on if you're going to the dining room, so you look a little bit elevated and dressed up, but you're still very comfortable and casual. And again, it's got that smocking, so it is going to expand when you do as well on the cruise. Love this color combo, but there are other ones. Picked it up in a medium, runs pretty true to size. And then the last casual dress that I want to share with you is this one. Again, I love this color combo. It's not as bold as the other two that I shared with you. More subdued, but so nice. It's got this tie front, more of like a sweetheart neckline. The straps are a little bit thicker, and there's a different way to adjust those. It has a button, and it has 3 different buttonholes to adjust. Again, that smocking in the back, and the smocking is in the front. This one does not have pockets, and this one is lined, so this one is a little bit of a heavier weight. The other two were nice and lightweight and flowy, but this one has just a little bit more weight to it. And again, this is that maxi style length. It's just really cute and fun, and these are perfect. They don't take up a lot of space. You've got different kind of options for the dining room that is elevated but still casual and comfortable at the same time. So I started cruising back in 2003. I've been on several cruises, and back when I first started cruising, formal night was something that you just got dressed up for. I mean, you were talking prom dresses and, you know, special occasion dresses, and you just really got dressed up. Guys were wearing tuxes, and I have noticed throughout the years that it's gotten a little bit less formal. So even on those formal nights, some cruise lines are not even having formal nights. Really, out of the cruise lines that I've traveled with, Princess still probably dresses up a little bit more than all the other ones. Norwegian is the most laid back cruise line that I've traveled with. People will be going on formal night in jeans if they want to. So formal night is not as formal as it used to be, but it's still nice to get dressed up on that elegant night if you want to. So this was the option that I picked up in case you want to have a little bit of elevated look, not too dressy, but not too casual as well. So this would be good for that formal night, that elegant night, or the dress up if you want to night. And it's got these flutter sleeves in the back. You have a V-neck in the front and back, and then you also have this little tie in the back. And again, it's got that smocking at the waist, so it is going to expand with you. It also has a slit in the front, which gives you that little bit of leg. So it's got that little bit of a sexy appeal to it. And then you've got a lining on this, so you're not going to have to worry about anything being see-through. So I think this is a really cute, elegant night dress. If you're wanting to dress up for that but not be too dressed up, then I think this is a good option. And this one is in a medium, so it runs true to size. So I am hoping if you're a first-time cruiser and you're just trying to think of what to wear, or you're someone who's cruised quite a bit and you're like, how can I really downgrade and pack a little bit lighter to maximize my space? I hope that today was helpful in giving you some kind of tips. And with those dresses, you could just pick a neutral shoe and wear them with every single dress so that you're not having multiple shoes to take as well. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.